In this video, I'm going to show you how to rearrange items on Square Online Shop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to, of course, create your items. And then when you do have them, you want to go to online over here in your dashboard, and you want to click on the websites. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to take you to your websites over here, and you can go to website top left, and you want to click on editor. Now, this will enable you to basically edit your website you have or your online shop. So here, I'm going to wait for a few seconds for the editor to load. And then whenever it loads up, you'll see it's actually super simple to do this. So you want to go to the top left here where you're currently on your home tab, click on it, or of course whatever it's called, and you want to go to shop all. Now this one over here is going to show you all the products of course people can shop for. Now if you don't see this, you can click on the plus button and then click on page, and of course you can add the shop all button over here. Now I'm gonna go and actually switch to it right now just so I can show you what it looks like. There we go. This is the shop all page over here. And then to rearrange items, as you can see by default they're like this. I can go and click inside here, and it's going to pop up top left. It says items and then arrange items. Now I'm gonna click on arrange items over here, and then it's gonna allow you to do it however you want. So by default it's gonna be likely by newest. You could go and do popularity over here, which is going to of course change it by popularity. It's gonna go a price high low. You could do it like this, price low high, and then you could do alphabetical, or of course alphabetical, A to Z or Z to A, whatever you want. And then I'm going to click on custom, which of course can be a custom mode where you can rearrange items however you want. So for example, let's say I want to change this over here. As you can see currently it's looking like that. You could go and change whatever you want over here, and then whenever you save it, it's actually going to save to basically make it however you made it over here inside your custom setup. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.